Dr. Jesse Schulz here again, showing you now a progression of neck strengthening to do. If you're having neck pain, neck stiffness, you want to get a stronger neck, or if the first video that I showed you, you've been doing it for about a month or two and you've been having good results or no results, you're not having any problems with it, but it's just not delivering what you want. So I'm going to be showing you 3 new exercises to do that'll help strengthen your neck and hopefully help any neck problems that you have. If you are an athlete and you're trying to get a stronger neck for sports, what I'd recommend is doing about somewhere between 8 and 20 repetitions of these exercises, and probably about 2 sets every other day, at least twice a week, maybe up to 4. If you're trying to build some muscle bulk, I would encourage you to stay at the higher repetition range, like somewhere between 12 and 20. And if you have a neck that's already big enough in your opinion and you're not trying to get a larger neck, then I would encourage you to stay in the lower repetition range, somewhere probably between like 8 and 10 repetitions. So the first exercise I'm going to do is cervical rotation, and all you need for this is a resistance band. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the band behind your head. You're going to cross the band in the front. Now this band right here is the lower band and it's closer to my head. That will be providing resistance. You're going to sit up straight or stand up straight, and then you're going to pull on this band and look to the opposite side, hold for about a second, and then look back to the center. And then after you do somewhere between your 8 and 20 repetitions of that, what you'll do is you'll switch around the ends of the band. So now this one is going to be providing resistance. Pull this way, look over here. And that's all you have to do for that exercise. Resistance bands like this can be purchased online. Sometimes you can find them in a local sporting goods store or something like that. They shouldn't be all that expensive, and it's a pretty effective exercise to do. Now, the other exercise we're going to be doing is going to be side bending, or basically tilting your head to the side. So for this, what I would recommend starting with is lying down on your side with your head on a pillow so that your head is a little bit below in the midline of your body. Right now my head's probably about an inch lower than I would like it to be if I was going to be sleeping. I'm going to push down with both arms, my fist here, my elbow here. I'm going to lift my head up about an inch off the pillow, hold for a second, lower back down, and relax my arms and my neck. Push again with my arms, lift my head 1 inch, hold for a second, relax back down. I would then, of course, do it on the other side as well. As you get stronger with this exercise, what I would encourage you to do is go through a larger arc of motion. Raise your head higher off the pillow if it's comfortable for you and you're not having any pain, and take away the pillow so your head can go down lower as well. Again, the same repetition range and same number of sets, same number of days per week as with the other exercise. Somewhere between 8 and 20 repetitions, 2 sets, several days per week. Now, the last exercise that I would encourage you to do is a cervical extension exercise, which you could do it like this, but if you can tell when I do this, right about here, my neck folds. That'll put a lot of pressure on the joints at that area. So what we can do instead to engage the same muscles is use a resistance band, get on your hands and knees like I'm going to show you, and then what we're going to do is retraction. So our head is going to come a little bit forward, and then what we're going to try to do is pull back, like you're trying to give yourself a double chin. The same muscles will be engaged back here as if you're looking up, but without as much joint stress. So you can take the band, put it behind your head, get into good posture, let your head down, pull your head up. Hold for 2 seconds, let it down, pull up, hold for 2 seconds. Again, the same repetition range as with the other exercises. For all these exercises, they should be done in a pain-free range. If you're having any tingling, numbness, or pain with them at all, I would say consult with your doctor or physical therapist if you have not already, which I would encourage you to do before you would start this routine. But it should be a safe routine. It's a healthy routine to do for your neck, to keep your neck healthy as you age, healthy with sports, prevent concussions potentially. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and hope your neck feels good too.